What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the NIA sleek splitter on my own personal Lexus GS350. This NIA splitter was designed for the 4th gen Lexus GS, which means 2013 all the way to 2015 F Sport model only. This one in particular has the fins on the side, so basically it comes in 3 pieces: the centerpiece and the 2 fins on the corners. Alright, so a little bit about the new NIA sleek line splitter is that it's made out of ABS plastic, and it's thick ABS plastic, so it can actually take a few hits. So another good thing about ABS plastic is that it can actually hold its own weight. Unlike urethane and other materials, they'll start warping with time. That will not happen with ABS plastic. Also, if you buy a NIA splitter, you'll get the pre-drilled holes with all the screws needed to install your kit. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're going to receive all of your installation screws. For this installation, you're going to need a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and we recommend an angle drive for a quick installation. Alright guys, before you install the splitter, first you want to do is wipe down the whole bottom of your bumper, get rid of any rocks or anything that you might have stuck underneath. When installing the NIA splitter, always think safety first. If you're going to jack up your car, use jack stands for safety. In this case, the car is equipped with air ride suspension, and we're going to use an angle driver for installation. Alright guys, with the help of a friend or family member, help align the splitter right under the car. And usually what you want to do is start off with the corners. That way you make sure everything is aligned perfectly. Once that is aligned, what you do is just grab your screw and present it through the pre-drilled hole, and then just self-tap into the bumper. So it's very important only to do it halfway, that way you don't over-tighten and strip the plastic bumper. Once you drill the first corner, then you want to drill the other corner, and that helps it align everything in place. Before you drill the hole, make sure everything is spaced out and centered correctly. Once everything's centered, then the same thing, just drill the other corner halfway with the drill. Once the 2 corner screws are installed, then you do the middle one, and the same thing, just follow the pre-drilled hole, put the screw in place, and self-tap into the bumper, and just do that halfway. Once the corners and the centers are in place and everything looks aligned, then just install the rest of the screws through all the other pre-drilled holes. Once all the screws are halfway with the drill, grab the stubby Phillips screwdriver and then hand tighten every single one. By hand tightening, you prevent from over tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. If you do strip it, just make a hole next to it and you'll be fine. Once the center is in place, time to start the side fins. To install the side fins, just locate the factory bolt that's underneath with your 10mm ratchet. Just take it off, just like so. Now, using the pre-drilled hole on the fin, just align it and basically reinstall it, but this time holding the side fins up, just like so. Alright, so now you get the screws provided to you, and just align the fin under the bumper where there's enough meat to like grab it in place. Once you do that, then just self-tap into the bumper halfway. Alright guys, once all the screws are tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks again.